At the heart of entrepreneurship lies a simple yet powerful concept. The word entrepreneur derives from the French words entre, meaning between, and prendre, meaning to take. Originally, it described those who dared to take on the risk. But who, you might wonder, is an entrepreneur? An entrepreneur is more than just a job title. It is a mindset. Entrepreneurs are the visionaries, the doers, and the risk takers. They're the ones who spot opportunities where others might see obstacles. Think of iconic entrepreneurs like Steve Jobs, who revolutionized technology, or Oprah Winfrey, who built a media empire from the ground up. They are entrepreneurs who change the world. But what sets entrepreneurs apart? They share some common characteristics. They're passionate and persistent. They possess a relentless drive to pursue their goals. They're adaptable, ready to pivot when necessary. They're creative problem solvers who think outside the box. Entrepreneurs are risk takers, willing to venture into the unknown. They're innovators who create something fresh and valuable. And above all, they have the courage to take that first step and the resilience to weather the storms of business. So, do you have what it takes to be an entrepreneur? It's a question worth pondering. Success in entrepreneurship isn't guaranteed, but with the right mindset, skills, and knowledge, anyone can embark on this exciting journey. There you have it, the essence of who an entrepreneur is and the characteristics that make them stand out. Now, I want to hear from you. In the comments below, tell me which entrepreneur inspires you the most and why. Make sure to subscribe because we've got more insights and inspirations coming your way. Keep dreaming, keep doing, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.